Welcome! In this video, I will show you how to reorder your quizzes and also how to create and add quizzes to categories. Let's go! Here is my list of quizzes. I need to reorder them. Click on the More actions at the top, then select Reorder. In the column on the right, change the order you need your quizzes in. When you have made your changes, select Save. Now, let's create a few categories. Select Edit Categories. Select Add Category. Type out the name of your category and sort order, then click Save and Close. Now, add the quizzes to their category by selecting the Bulk Edit option. Click Save. To view your quizzes in categories as shown, just change the View By option as shown here. And that is all. Now you have seen how to create categories and reorder your quizzes. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the other videos.